right, here we go. All right, standing outside of Columbus, 375 BH. I know most of you are excited right now because it's Columbus. Columbus are quality RVs. You know, they got the River Ranch. I love the River Ranch. This one's taking something from the River Ranch. We'll talk about that once we get inside. I'll give you a sneak peek right there. Look at that front cap. That's the same as a River Ranch. I'll tell you why once we get inside, why that's important. Let's talk about the outside real quick. First of all, let's just talk about, in general, the outside. You've got two awnings, one on the slide, one right here with the lights that extend on the poles, so you get light shining down into the camping area. The storage is unreal, as on most Columbus, all Columbus RVs. And then in the back here, come back here, we've got a little outdoor kitchen area. You got a sink, you got this refrigerator. So you come out here, you set your grill here, you got everything you need right here, ready to go. A little counter space here in the middle. Now, before we get inside, let's talk about the walls. The walls, I'm gonna make it fairly simple for you. I'm not gonna go into full detail. All I'm gonna say is that they're better. They're better
I
because—
can help you out, because during break, I went out with the Sawzall, cut a section out so you could see the
double layer. Is that the one with the hole in it out there?
Yeah.
They're not gonna be happy with you. That's awful.
Double layer of Azdel. Check that out.
So what's happening with Azdel, everybody's loving this Azdel. Moisture's not getting inside, Luan is not warping, and they've got it twice. They've got it on the outside and the inside, so it's an upgrade on the walls of the Columbus.
And the nice thing, they did all this and got the price even lower.
The price has come down a little bit.
Awesome.
Yeah, so let's get inside and take a look. I haven't been inside this yet. Have you been inside this one yet?
Just for 10 seconds when I cut the hole.
So yes, so the answer is yes, yes. I have not. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, just when you cut the hole in it. Yeah. Oh, that's right. I did actually see inside. So here you go. Look at what's going on in here. I love the openness of this. Now, when you come in here, like, all right, there's something missing. Where's the dinette set? It's right here. So you got the two couches right across from the TV, the big size TV. It's what, 50-inch maybe. But you got your table here, so you can eat here at the table while watching TV. You can pull out one of these and make like a dinette area, so you can actually have a table if you want to set at a table. This looks like a charging station. I can't charge my phone because I've got a magnet on it. Got a magnet on it to see if it works. Did it work?
Here, try mine.
Yeah, try. There it is.
There
it's charging.
Little face.
Charging. Oh, it must be nice to have the new jumbo size phone. He could barely get out from, he had to squeeze his fingers in the side to get it out. You got cup holders here, and what is this down here? A little space to store stuff. There you go, and I'm assuming maybe nope, it stays like that. All right, so there you go. There's your living area. You've got a fireplace down here, storage above, microwave above the stove with a vent under here, 4-burner stove top, a good size. That's, I would say, basically a full size oven underneath. Big old refrigerator, residential size. Boom. And then storage space over here. I say storage, more like a pantry right here. So there you go. Pantry, storage here, place for your coffee maker, storage underneath.
More
Big
chargers.
sink.
Did you notice these?
More chargers?
So the pop-ups, I guess you can charge now on top here.
Oh, so you can
set your
charge on
phone there,
top,
too.
or so you probably pull this up, lock that in place, but set your phone up there and charge on top
yeah,
while
right.
stuff's plugged in.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice.
There it goes, charging. Nice. Love it. So let's look at the, daggone, excuse me, what was that? Let's look at the bunkhouse back here. Oh, this is a nice bunkhouse. We still got further to go. I'll close this for now. Wow, this is nice. This is really cool. This is where your kids are going to fight to stay. This one clear up here. They're going to fight to stay up there. You got a ladder you have to take up to the top. This comes down like this. Ladder all the way to the top. That's the one they're going to fight for. This one's great. You got the couch here. You got a bunk that'll drop down here with a ladder that will get up to it. And then a little space down here for a TV. Maybe if you got little kids that have a little chair, they can use it as a desk if they want to, with storage on either side. You go through here, the kids have their own full bath. Full bath back here. I'm gonna close this. It's a little bright. Don't be afraid to shut it, David. You got the shower here. Toilet, and back here behind the door is the sink with a medicine cabinet. So the kids have their own bathroom. They're not stinking up your bathroom or getting it all grubby.
And having that outside door.
That's right. They got a door on the outside, or on the other side of that bathroom, so that people can get in without walking through your RV. Very nice. Let's take a look up front here. We'll go to the master bedroom. So we pass by the bathroom first. You'll see that the bathroom is a slide door, which gives you a little space so you're not opening a door into the hallway. Again, another nice size shower. Storage here next to it. You've got a medicine cabinet, good sized medicine cabinet, and storage underneath. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Tim's already back there.
I was checking out that space he said with that cap. They added more space. Now you can actually get in here to make this bed on both sides.
There has been times when you get in there, where it's almost like this, where this would come straight out there.
Yep. That's nice. Set back a little bit.
Yeah. In here you can get your, I believe, probably stackable washer dryer in there. Storage above. You got a dresser here at the end. Your TV hanging up here. Above the bed, high above the bed, you've got some space to put something, but if you want to set something right next to your head on either side, you got little shelves on this king-size bed. It's a big bed. Again, Columbus. Man, their quality, they're nice. And feels classy in here.
And to think they did all that during this time of,
Yeah, all this craziness, and they brought the price down.
Going down, that's awesome.
Absolutely love it.